Looking for a diagnostic tool for 6.0 Powerstroke? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 diagnostic tool for 6.0 Powerstroke available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect diagnostic tool for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner Professional Mechanic. Our experts have highly recommended the Foxwell NT301 OB2 scanner as the very best in the industry today. It is an all-round performer that surpassed all our expectations of how a good scanner should work. There are some reasons behind this scanner that topped our list. The Foxwell NT301 has been optimally designed for home diagnostics for car owners to easily identify problems besetting the proper functioning of their vehicles. This places a lot of power and control on the owner that allows them to understand the diagnostic problems before handing the vehicle over for professional repairs. The ease at which it can be used is one of the competitive advantages this scanner tool has over others. The OBD2 functions to help users easily read out problems via the universal check engine light option. This system helps owners easily read and erase engine code errors in real time. With this scanner, be rest assured that all OBD2 protocols and OBD services are covered. The high level of accuracy is another feature that places this scanner heads and shoulders above the competition. Users can accurately read the error codes of a wide variety of cars such as trucks, SUVs, and convertibles. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the AutoScanner Maxicom MK808, 2022 newest OBD2 car diagnostic scanner. If you fancy the ease of addressing the problems of our vehicle without the hassles of taking them to a professional, then you will be impressed with the multifunctional scanning system of the MK808 tool. Like many other diagnostic tools, it can take care of all OBD2 issues, in addition to oil reset and all basic TPMS services. Accuracy is the watchword when you are in the market for an ideal 6.0 Powerstroke scanner. It can accurately diagnose and clear out all problematic codes and issues indicated by the check engine light feature. In terms of functionality, the Maxicom MK808 is one of the most versatile scanners in the industry today. This well-performing tuner is compatible with a host of vehicles including Volvo, Acura, and Mercedes-Benz, etc. The tool is also indicative of about 25 diagnostic functions including oil reset, TPMS, BMS, braking bleed, and a lot more. At number 3 on our list, we have the OHP Wi-Fi Forescan OBD2 scanner for widows, budget-friendly option. If you are tired of needless and bulky scanners for your Ford vehicle, then you will fancy the compact designs of this scanner. It's small enough to fit just within the dimensions of your palm and yet has almost all the functions of a top-class scanner. This scanner is rated as a wireless Wi-Fi connected system for Ford users. It doesn't get more convenient than having to deal with a scanner that doesn't need the hassles of connected wires. It consists of compact design and compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android users and customized primarily for iPhone and iPad owners. One of the main features of this scanner that helped it onto our list is the added functionality it possesses. It's equipped with an HSCAN MS-CAN toggle switch that is a useful component needed to access hidden features and better speed. At number 4 on our list, we have the Acarsoft i920 for Ford Holden OBD2 engine vehicle diagnostic. The most notable feature of this scanner tool is the ease at which it can be handled while in operation. It's easy to use with a very fast and intuitive interface. Fitting right within your palm, it's one of the most advanced minimalistic 6.0 Powerstroke scanning devices. Let's face it, the main function of a scanning device is the ability to troubleshooting engine problems. The difference is in how well they perform that function. The Acarsoft is capable of doing it all to the extent that there may be no need for high-end brands. Quality minimalistic design features tell a lot about the level of craftsmanship that went into the production of this device. The Acarsoft truly delivered a masterpiece on this product. Besides, its minimalistic nature still manages to accommodate 10 modes of operation. At number 5 on our list, we have the Nexpiac OBD2 scanner, NX501 Enhanced OBD. Nexpiac OBD2 scanner is an excellent performer packaged, and it consists of all the right features and functionality only seen in top-end brands. The newest optimization on this scanner makes it about 2 to 3 times faster than a lot of other scanners in the open market. It does so via the NX501 code reader optimized with one of the strongest algorithms in the industry. In terms of compatibility, it clears out all error codes for OBD2 protocol-compliant vehicles using a dedicated 16-pin interface. The best part is that it is also compatible with vehicle models as old as 1996. This includes sedans, trucks, and SUVs from the 1996 model or later. Highly rated for its awesome performance, the Nexpiac is one of the most stable scanners in the industry. The high performance of this scanner is one of the reasons why our review experts had no choice but to include it as one of the best 10 scanners around. At number 6 on our list, we have the AutoFix 7710 scanner for Ford Cars Diagnostic Battery ABS Airbags Scan Tool. The AutoFix 7710 scanner can support multiple systems specific for Ford Cars, Lincoln, and Mercury brands for 1996 models to 2017. However, these brands must be compliant with 12V and 16-pin connectors, and it doesn't matter if it is European-made or specifically made from the US and China markets. The upgraded version of this scanner comes with improved functionality that eases the job of scanning for errors. The major scanning features include, but not limited to oil change indicator, sensor calibration, resetting PCM, whilst supporting other special functions for Ford cars. AutoFix 7710 has one of the most breathtaking design features that take design artistry to another level. The design features can automatically detect vehicle brands that skip the needless step of manually choosing brands. At number 7 on our list, we have the Bosch 1,699,200,240 HDS 250 Heavy-Duty Scan Tool Kit. The versatility of this scanner speaks for itself. It can cover the error-clearing requirements of a large number of medium to heavy-duty trucks as well as numerous SUV models from a variety of brands. The scanner can do this because it is compatible with 12V and 24V systems found in a majority of cars. If you are not just looking for a scanner, but need a complete kit of tools specific for several functions, then look no further than the Bosch 1,699,200,240 HDS Heavy-Duty Scanning Tool. It's a 6-in-1 toolkit that allows users to perform several scanning tasks. The Bosch scanner is specific for heavy-duty trucks of all sizes and types. Users can diagnose and clear all standard error codes from the engine check lighting system. Specifically, this scanner is best for heavy-duty trucks of class 4 to 8 and screen multi-language options. At number 8 on our list, we have the Launch OBD2 Scanner Creator VAI Plus Automotive Diagnostic. A wide range of vehicles including those specified for 12V diesel cars uses this launch scanner and reader. Any vehicle that is compatible with OBD and CAN protocol is suitable for this device. Several features stand this device above a lot of competitive devices of the comparable price range. It has an inbuilt DTC library with multilingual features, all packed in a user-friendly design that is intuitive. Finally, this device is compatible with all vehicles that are OBD compliant. The 4-system diagnostic function of the launch reader is one of the foremost functions of this device that makes customers choose it. Firstly, it is capable of clearing error codes from the engine check light system. Secondly, it has an anti-locking braking system that troubleshoots the ABS. Thirdly, it can detect electronic parameters from the SRS system. And finally, the OBD2 scanner is capable of reading and clearing errors from the transmission system. At number 9 on our list, we have the KZYE KC301 Code Reader, Car OBD2 Scanner. The KZYE KC301 Code Scanner employs the use of technologically advanced systems to offer faster scanning results on a range of vehicles. It quickly resets engine lighting systems on all vehicles that are OBD2 protocol compliant. To support faster reading actions, the scanner is built with a one-click readiness status button. Like most best 6.0 Powerstroke scanners in the market, this device also has a graphing mode function that allows you to watch the operations of the 02 sensors in real time. This quicker helps users locate and replace bad sensors within a couple of minutes. EVIP system leak test is a feature that isn't supported by many vehicle scanning devices in the market today. The EVIP feature depends strongly on what has been installed on the OBD system from the manufacturing process. With this system, you can monitor for fuel vapor leaks. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the OTC 3111 PRO Trilingual Scan Tool OBD. OTC 3111 PRO Trilingual Scan Reader is a highly versatile scanner that can be used for many car models. The best part is that it is compatible with old models as far back as 1996 from Europe, Asia, Japan, China, or even the USA. However, these cars must be OBD compliant. Expect nothing less than a wide coverage of almost all diagnosable error codes with this scanning device. It has an inbuilt capacity to tackle the airbag, ABS, and many other error codes from a variety of vehicles. Like many other 6.0 Powerstroke scanners, this reader also has a graphing feature that allows users to track the progress and performance of sensors on a colorful display screen. The graphing feature is enhanced by a dual PID graphing card capability. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.